At a German station, a friend asks, Du kommst nicht mit? You're not coming along? If you answer with a bare English yes, the listener still has to guess. Yes, I'm coming, or yes, I agree that I'm not coming. German has a small word that makes the positive contradiction explicit. Start with the easy case. Kommst du mit? Are you coming along? Ja says yes, I'm coming. Nein says no, I'm not. The question presents the positive proposition, so the two answers point in opposite directions. Now, put nicht into the question. Du kommst nicht mit? The negative premise is now on the table. You're not coming. To answer, you must decide whether to accept that negative or reject it. The English word yes does not reliably show which proposition you mean. In the clean learner pattern, the positive answer is DOCH. It means, on the contrary, yes, I am. The word does not merely repeat yes, it pushes back against the negative premise inside the question.
Make it unambiguous. Doch, ich komme mit.
Yes, I am coming along. The negative lane is crossed out and the positive proposition is restored. That is the sense of reverse in this lesson. Reverse the question's negative assumption, not every meaning of the word DOCH. If the truth is the opposite, use nein, ich komm nicht. No, I'm not coming. Here the negative proposition stays in place. So, after a negative question, the useful learner contrast is DOCH for positive contradiction and nein for negative confirmation. The trigger can be keen, not only nicht. Du hast kein Ticket? You don't have a ticket? If you do have one, answer DOCH, ich habe eins. Yes, I do. The article keen supplies the negative premise. DOCH rejects it. For a positive question, ja confirms and nein rejects. For a negative question, nein confirms the negative, while DOCH rejects it and restores the positive. When in doubt, do not translate the English word yes. Find the proposition the question has made negative. A careful boundary. DOCH is not always this answer particle. Dictionaries also list other uses, such as a contrast word like but or a modal particle that adds emphasis or expectation. In this video and the practice pack, we isolate the stressed answer DOCH that responds to a negative claim or question. So use this check. Is there a negative cue, nicht or keen? Which proposition is actually true? Then choose ja for a positive question, nein for a negative answer, or DOCH when you are contradicting a negative premise. The matched 8-page visual pack turns that decision into quick practice. No live product or channel action is part of this local handoff.